Unbelievable. Northern elders gang up against Southern governors. Says Southern governors should stop ganging up against the North. They are looking for something else. Hello, my wonderful people. They say the Southern governors are beginning to raise a threat by their coming together, the unity, the way they are embracing themselves. You can see in some of the pictures, is becoming very worrying to the North. In fact, they have picked on Babajide Sanwo-Olu, who they said, he's supposed to be an APC governor. Why is he so entangled with Wike, so much so that he's fighting, for VAT against the Buhari's government, of which party he is, of which they were trying to turn the thing into an anti-party activity. When the Southern governors came together, one of their mottos were, we are not we are not party, what's it called now, bias. We are coming together as brothers to discuss on issues prevailing regarding the South, how we can better serve and lead our people who voted us into government. However, this decision of the Southern governors and this love and this oneness that is going on is beginning to send some signals to the North, and they are very worried and concerned. They are worried because you see an APC governor embracing a PDP governor or any other party is becoming very worrisome to the North. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. Thank you. Southern governors should stop ganging up, issuing threats to get 2023 presidency. Shaki revealed. Former governor of Kano State, Ibrahim, has said that the 17 governors of the South should stop ganging up against the North, issuing threats to get the ticket for 2023 presidential slot. He said they are coming together should not be to issue out threats and become a threat to other parts of the country. The North, when we meet, we do not threaten anyone. But the Southern governor's recent meeting is sending out a wrong signal. We see it more as a threat rather than discussing issue prevailing to their region. Ibrahim, who represented Kano Central District in the Senate, stated this on Monday while featuring on Channels Television, Arise Daily Breakfast program monitored by The Punch. The All Progressive Congress chieftain said the next president after the incumbent Major Muhammadu Buhari retired should come from the southern region of the country to give a sense of belonging to everyone. He also noted that the APC should zone its presidential ticket in a capable and credible candidate in the South, and the next election should be in about 18 months from now. However, the union of the Southern governors together, issuing out threats and sending a wrong signal, is not a good one for the Nigerian people, especially those of other regions. If they want to come together, it's fine, but they should not send out a threat signal to anyone. We are all Nigerians. So this is what is happening. Southern governors are issuing out a threat by their disposition, by the way they are comporting and carrying themselves, the way they are deliberating on issues, and the way they are agreeing together as one. It's not going down well with a lot of persons or people who are saying they find it very threatening. Okay, the Southern governors, you see them in the meetings, they are hugging themselves irrespective of party affiliation. They are coming together, they are hugging themselves, they are showing, solidarity for one another, they are speaking with one voice. Let me tell you something. Unity, when they say unity is strength, unity, it's a force. Unity, it's a force. And that's why I'm sorry to say, if you are from Imo State, I apologize in advance. I do not mean any sarcasm, okay, against your governor. However, I have to call a spade a spade. That's why your governor cannot do very well. He thinks his affiliation, that's hope. What's that now? He thinks his association with um Buhari is all he needs. No. Have you heard of the bond called unity? Is what keeps brothers together. When Chino Achebe, a very wise man, every time I quote that quote of his, those words of his. I wonder what he was thinking, how he got the inspiration. Was he praying? What exactly was he doing? That he got it, that the bonds that hold brothers together is what? Is the unity. And things fall apart when the center could no longer hold. The center is where everybody brings, just imagine a picture where everybody stretches his or her hands forward. And so they hold this thing. At the instant, in the beginning, it will look like when one person takes out his hand, that there is no effect. That's not very true. There is an effect if one person takes out his hand and allow the others to hold in a position not to pull his weight. It looks like nothing is happening. It looks like nothing has changed. However, when the second person takes out his hand, and then the third and the fourth, guess what? The position of the stead of the staff that they are holding will begin to shift, because the staff is held in position as a result of everybody pulling his weight. And so that thing is held in position and is standing sure. But by the time A feels, oh, it's not my business, it's their business, gradually it begins to shift. And guess what? A time will come. Things will definitely now fall apart. Because when everybody now says, I'm not going to be the slave back, I'm just going to let it go. And the second, third, and the last person takes off their hands, guess what? It comes crashing down. And just imagine that is a glass vase. And so it comes hitting the floor hard. And at the end of the day, the end of that thing is worse than the beginning. So much so that everybody suffers for it. So why shouldn't brothers dwell together in unity? And that's why when you are raising your children, they may not have any understanding of looking after one another. Looking after, instead of, focusing on a friend, and teach them to know that this is your brother, this is your sister. You look out for one another. You support one another. You speak for one another. You are together. If you don't teach them, they don't know. And they grow with that idea, with that perspective. They have to be taught. That's why they go to school to learn. Don't assume they will know that is his brother, is his sister, so they will know. You have to instill it. It's a conscious effort for learning. Can you imagine how young they are when we start taking them to school? That is also you doing your due diligence at home. Leave us a comment. We really love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.